trying to restore my iPhone. So it's plugged into iTunes. Restore and update. Extracting software. Phone still says plugged into iTunes. Still extracting software. Still extracting software. Phone still says plugged into iTunes. Yeah, so see what's going on. Still extracting software. Right, preparing my phone to restore. iPhone will restart. iPhone is restarting. And then let's wait for boot loop. Oh no, boot loop! iPhone then restarts, boot loop. And then computer says, no! That's poetic justice. Either way, phone will not restore. I will try this, but it hasn't worked so far.